Hello everyone, welcome to Spark Study. In this video, we'll study about some problem regarding RH criteria. The last video we have started the RH criteria. RH stands for Routh-Hurwitz criteria. So this is the technique where you can find the absolute stability of the systems. It says that if there is no sign change in the first column of the RH table, then there should not be any poles at the right side of the S plane. So ultimately the system becomes stable. Okay, that means the number of sign changes in the RH table indicate the numbers of right hand side of the S plane poles. Okay, so we have studied many more things. We also have some special case in RS table that has to be taught in the next class. Okay, let's start the problem. The problem is a feedback system with characteristic equations. S to the power 4 plus 20ks cube plus 5s square plus 10s plus 15 equal to 0 is option A stable for all value of k, option B stable only for k greater than equal to 0, option C stable for a k in between infinite to 70, and option D it is unstable for all value of k. Here k stands for the gain and it is unknown quantity. You have to put the value and find out what is the range of k so that the system becomes stable. Okay, so you should remember this RH criteria is only applicable for the closed loop control systems, and you can see here that this equation is s to the power 4. It's the highest power. That means order is 4, fourth order equations. So you can see this clearly: 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So all the powers are starting from 0 to 4 in increasing order, and the coefficient of all the s having no negative terms. I mean all the coefficients are same sign, unless we don't have k, because we don't know the value of k. Let's say k is positive, so ultimately all remain positive. So in that situation, if there is no missing power and the coefficient is always same sign, then you can clearly say that this is a stable system. But we have no idea about the value of k. Okay, find the your coefficient, if the powers are exist, there is no missing power in this equation. Still we have unknown k, so we need to find out what should be the value of k, or what should be the stability when you change the value of k, right? Okay, so the characteristic equation is given like s to the power 4 plus 20 k s cube plus 5 s square plus 10s plus 15 equal to 0, and here s to the power 4 coefficient is 1, sq coefficient is 20k, s square coefficient is 5, s coefficient is 10, and s to the power 0 coefficient is 15. So what we have taught, we have studied in the last classes, we need to draw a table which is called a Routh table, and the first column says that all the coefficient, I mean all the powers of s in descending order like this. So the highest power or the order of the equation is 4, so that you can write s to the power 4, then s cube, then s square, then s to the power 1, and s to the power 0. And we also studied that the first row and the second row can draw or can be written from the equation directly. But once we write the row 1 and row 2, then we don't have any remaining term from this equation, so we need to use formulae to find out the remaining row elements or remaining column elements also. Fine, so this is s to the power 4. So in this row we need to write this coefficient of s to the power 4, then we neglect the next coefficient, then we take s to the power 2 and s to the power 2 coefficient, then we neglect the next one, then we take the s to the power 0 concept. That means when this power is 4, then we need to write 4 power, then 2 power, then 0 power. Even powers will be there. If it is odd, then we will write s to the power 3, coefficient of s to the power 3, then coefficient of s to the power 1, likewise. So let's say first term, first row will be like 1, 5 and 15, as because s to the power 4 coefficient is 1, then s square coefficient is 5, and s to the power 0 coefficient is 15. So we have written this thing clearly. So remaining term will be 20k and 10, which will becomes under SQ coefficient. Okay, SQ coefficient is 20k and s to the power 2 coefficient is 10. Fine. Then after we studied that to find this place value, what we need to do, the formula says that multiply this with this minus multiplication of this with this, then divided by this value. So this indicate 100k minus 10 divided by 20k, because 20k into 5 will be 100k, 1 into 10 will be 10, and divided by this value is 20k. And to find this value, 20k into 15 minus 1 into 0 is 0 divided by 20k. So ultimately this value will copy here, that is nothing but 15. Similarly, to find this element, first we need to multiply this with this, then minus multiply this with this divided by this one. So this will give like 100k minus 10 by 20k into 10 minus 20k into 15, which will be 300k whole divided by this, that is 100k minus 10 divided by 20k. Okay, similarly, to find this value, we need to multiply this with some term over here, but there is no term available here, so this will remain 0 as it is. Okay, and we need remain with one more value, that is coefficient of s to the power 0, which also find with the same formula, this one into this one minus this one into this one divided by this one. Ultimately, as this term is 0, so this term multiplication will be 0, and multiplication of this term, these two term divided by this term only, will lead only 15. You try in your notebook, then you can find out the value. Fine. So this is the Rao's table. Now we taught you, like I taught you, like the system should be stable. Okay, the system should be stable if and only if there is no sign change in the first column of the RS table. So this column, this column indicates the stability of the system. Here the one, the first element is positive. That means it is very clear, to make this equation or this system positive, this system stable, all these should be positive, because it's already became positive na. If this will be negative, then all should be negative to become the system stable, because either one sign, either positive all or negative all, so that no, there should not be any sign change. Okay, so in this regard, if we take 20k is positive, that means 20k should be greater than 0 or greater than equal to 0. In that case, k should be greater than 0. Clear? So k should be greater than 0 in this case. Okay, and for this should be greater than 0 to make positive. If this should be greater than 0, we will find the value of the k. Okay, so let's say we have let's say this should be greater than 0 also, because this should be positive, this should be positive, and this should be positive. If we take this greater than 0, what will reach with? If you solve this one, we can reach with minus 600k square plus 100k minus 10 divided by 10k minus 1. From this equation, we can see the what you take the value of k, no matter whatever the value of k, the k square must be very large than that of the k value. Okay, let's say k is 1, so k square is 1, fine. But if k is 2, k square is 4. If k is like 3, k square is 9. Likewise, whatever the value of k, this term is more than the value of k, and the multiplication of minus 600 is very larger than that of 100k minus 10. So ultimately this term becomes negative, because this negative is more than that of this positive. Okay, so this ultimately this term or this term is negative. You can see we have tried to make this positive, we have also made the positive. We try to make this positive, we can make this positive. But when you try to make this positive, it is not possible to make the system positive. Okay, whatever the value of k will be, I don't care, but whatever the value of k you can take, this term becomes negative. Okay, so once this term becomes negative, from positive to positive no sign change, again from positive to positive no sign change, but from positive to negative here one sign change, again negative to positive another sign change. So two sign changes occurs in the first column of the RS table, so that there are two right hand pole in the S plane or in this equation, so that the systems becomes completely unstable. Fine. So you understood this is for all value of k, the above equation is negative. So this creates sign change in RS table. Okay, so that if there is a sign changes in the RS table, then right hand pole exists and the system is unstable. Okay, so option D is the right answer, that which is nothing but the unstable for all value of k. Okay, so fine, let's say try to solve one more problem. Find the relation between k and t for the systems. Okay, here we have two variable, that is k is the gain, and t is also another variable. Okay, but this is gs, that is this is oltf. The condition given, the system is stable. Okay, they want to find the relation between t and k of a closed loop system which is stable also, but the system is given, that is open loop system. Okay, so what is the formula to find the closed loop system? Because RS criteria is applicable only for closed loop systems, and the auxiliary equation is also comes from the closed loop system. So to find the auxiliary equation, we need to find the closed loop transfer function. From the open loop transfer function, we can find 1 plus g of s into h of s is equal to 0. So on when you equate this 1 plus gs into hs, here hs is 1. Let's consider a unit feedback system. So when you equate g of s into h of s equal to 1, and we reach with this formula, s or into s plus 10 plus t plus k equal to 0. If you are not able to understand, try to find out the value using formula 1 plus gs equal to 0. Here the formula actually 1 plus g of s into h of s equal to 0, and h of s I have taken 1 as because the system is unit feedback system. So when you open this bracket, then you can reach with sq plus 10 square plus ts plus k equal to 0. Okay, so here all the coefficient having no sign change, then that means all the coefficient symbol should be given here is same sign. Then we have also there is no missing power, you can see 3210. But the thing is, these two are unknown, that is t and k are unknown. If the value of k and t becomes negative, the system becomes negative, but we do not have any idea about the value of t. Ultimately the question given is system is stable. In that case, system is stable means there should not be negative sign, so that t and k will comes positive. Okay, so fine, this t and k is positive, but what is the relation, which is greater and which is smaller? I mean, either the t is greater than k or k is greater than t, that we need to find it out. So from this characteristic equation, the table will be like this: SQ s square s to the power 1 and 0, and we have 1t 10 k. Then after this into this minus then this into this divided by this, so which ultimately result 10k minus 10t minus k divided by 10, and these two are 0 becomes because there is no other terms in here. Then multiply this with this and divide by this, so it becomes 0, and we have no term over here, so it becomes 0 also. So to make the system stable, the first column should not have any sign change. Here the first one and second one is positive, so ultimately these two has to be positive, because if this becomes negative then sign change occur. Sign change means poles are in the right side comes, then the system become unstable, but which is not in our case. Our system has to be stable. So if our system has to be stable, the k from this equation you can write k is greater than 0. Fine. Once k is greater than 0, then we can write 10t minus k by 10 is also greater than 0. So we can write here 10k minus t, so 10t minus k by 10 is greater than 0, which leads that 10t minus k is also greater than 0, and k is less than 10t. Okay, so k is less than 10t, that means k is at least less than 10 times of the value of the t. Okay, if the k value is more than or equal to 10 times of t, let's say t is 1, if t is 1 and k is 10, then the system becomes unstable, because the equation say k less than equal to 10t. That means if t becomes 1, 10t becomes 10, and k should be less than 10, not equal to 10 or not more than 10. So the first lesson will be k is less than 10t, and also in the last row we can say that k is greater than 0. So ultimately the relation of stability of this equation will be 0 less than k less than 10t. So this is the relation between k and also t. Fine. Okay. So this is all about some problem regarding the general solution of RH table and how to find the range of gain I have taught you. So we also have two different cases. The first case will be if there is a 0 instead of sign change. If there is a 0 in the first column, any element of the first column is 0, what should we do? And the second case will be at least one row becomes 0, then what will we do? So in this case we have studied about the stability, like either stable or unstable. But when 0 comes, that means the case special case 1 case 2 comes, then we can find out the system is marginally stable.